we can discuss the work. You can tell from the pattern on the sandpaper what's going on, okay? Here, you can see this is the roughest paper. And by the time we were done, the sanding was uniform over the whole shape of the sanding. In the beginning, we were sanding off really rough parts. And this one again is going down evenly. And then this one is 500. And you can see it was flat on the top. This 1,000. Absolutely uniform. Now that means that by definition, the inside of this slider now is absolutely the exact shape of that. And it can slide around a little bit, and everything's good. We could take it down a little further, but there's really no reason to. You don't really want the slider running on the cover. You only want the slider interfacing with the top of the mouthpiece so it's less friction, or stiction as I say. So you can see that's the underside. And the next job will be to smooth and to create the shape of the outside of the slider on a bench grinder.